In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an email using Zendesk. Whether you're new to Zendesk or just need a little refresher, this simple guide will help you navigate the process smoothly. So let's dive right in. First, you'll need to get started by going to the Views section in Zendesk. From there, you'll notice there's an option labeled Add. When you click on Add, you'll see another option labeled Ticket. Alternatively, you might see a button with a plus sign, marked as Plus Add, which also gives you the ticket option. Both of these pathways lead you to the same outcome, so feel free to choose whichever feels more intuitive to you. This step essentially sets the stage for you to create a new communication entry in the form of a ticket. Now that you've selected Ticket, it's time to fill in some important details. Begin by entering the requester's email. This is essentially the email address of the person you're contacting. Think of this as building your recipient list. It's crucial to get this part right to ensure your message reaches its intended destination. Next, move on to the subject line. The subject is a vital part of any email. It gives the recipient a snapshot of what the email is about. So, spend a moment to craft a clear and concise subject to streamline communication. Once you've filled in the requester's email and the subject, it's time to get to the heart of the message, your public reply. Think of this as the body of your email. Write your message clearly and professionally, staying mindful of the tone you wish to convey. This is your opportunity to articulate the purpose of your email succinctly. Whether you're responding to a query, providing information, or offering assistance, make sure your message aligns with your intent. After double-checking your entries to make sure everything looks perfect, you're ready for the next step. It's time to click on Submit. This small but significant action is what turns your draft into an actual communication sent out into the world. Once you hit that Submit button, Zendesk will take care of the rest. It automatically creates a new ticket and, importantly, sends your crafted message directly to the requester's email. And just like that, your email is sent. It's reassuring to know that Zendesk efficiently handles the logistics behind the scenes, giving you more time to focus on crafting effective communication. Easily accessing the ticket later ensures that you can track the conversation and provide timely follow-ups if needed. That's the straightforward process of sending an email in Zendesk, a tool designed to improve customer communication with minimal fuss. Remember, practice makes perfect, so applying these steps regularly will help you become even more adept at managing your communications. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing with Zendesk.